everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Siddhi Mapsankar, your fashion bestie, bringing you all the secrets on fashion careers, education and industry hacks. Now let's be real, being talented is just half the game. I truly believe in that. If nobody knows about your talent, how will you get clients, jobs or recognition? That's where marketing yourself comes in. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to market yourself as a fashion designer using Instagram, LinkedIn and your portfolio. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear action plan to shine online and offline. Let's go. So why self-marketing is everything? Now, fashion is not just about creativity. It is a big time about visibility. Now think about it. Designers like Masaba Gupta or Manish Malhotra didn't just design. They rightfully marketed their stories and styles so well that people could recognize their brand names based on their designs. Here's the secret. In 2025, your Instagram feed, your LinkedIn profile and your portfolio are your CV. Recruiters, brands and clients all check them first. So let's break it down platform by platform. So first, let's talk about Instagram. It's literally your visual resume. So how can you leverage Instagram? Firstly, curate your grid. Post your best sketches, digital designs, garments, styling looks, or even behind the scenes videos. Now think of it as a fashion magazine made just for you. Step 2, be consistent. Post at least 3 to 4 times a week. Use reels to show your process, sketching, draping, and the final garment. Audience love transformation videos, so leverage them. Step 3, use hashtags smartly. Now, instead of random hashtag OOTD, use professional hashtags like hashtag fashion design India, hashtag fashion portfolio, hashtag sustainable fashion. Now, this will get you discovered by right recruiters and brands. Step 4, engage. Don't just post, comment on other designers' work, reply to DMs, collaborate with photographers, models, and so on. For example, many NIF students have landed internship with the brands simply because their reels were very attractive, showcasing collection that went viral. A pro tip here I can tell you is don't worry too much about likes. Focus on building a professional, consistent, and image-driven Instagram. Instagram is your mini portfolio in motion. Think about it like that way and curate it as best as you can. Want to try your hand at fashion design? Join me, Siddhi Mapsankar, in our 3-day fashion design workshop, specially crafted for beginners and creative minds. In just 3 days, you will learn fashion sketching, fabric play, and create your own original design, even if you've never drawn before. Just click the link in the description to grab your spot in our upcoming batch. Seats are limited, guys, so don't wait. Let's design something awesome together. See you at the workshop. Now let's move on to a more serious side, which is LinkedIn. Now here, what can you do? Firstly, have a headline and a bio. Don't just write student at NIFT or XYZ college. Write fashion designer, sustainable textile enthusiast, aspiring fashion entrepreneur, keywords that are going to attract recruiters and help them find you. Step 2, showcase your work. Now upload your sketches, lookbooks or even reels directly to LinkedIn. Employers love visuals, not just text, so make most of it. Step 3, networking. Follow alumni, HRs of brands like Myntra, H&M, Aditya Birla Fashion, Nykaa and so on. Comment thoughtfully on their posts. Now this will get you noticed for sure. Step 4, opportunities. Apply for internships and jobs directly through LinkedIn. Now many brands in India now recruit through posts instead of traditional portals, so make most of that. For example, I know a lot of our own students at CEFT who got through Reliance brand internship just by sharing their portfolio post on LinkedIn with the right hashtags and tagging recruiters. Last but most important, your portfolio. Let me put it simply, it's your secret weapon. Now, how do you make most of your portfolio? Firstly, keep it digital plus physical. I always stress that having manual skills is great, but enhance them with digital tools. Digital for LinkedIn, Behance and emails. Physical for interviews and jury presentation. Step 2 is adding your structure. Intro page. Write more about you, your design philosophy, the projects you have done. That includes your sketches, patterns, 3D renders, and final outfit. Include all the mood boards, research process. Recruiters love seeing your thought process. So show it and make most of it. Conclude the entire portfolio with your contact details, socials, QR code to your Instagram. That will give them a call to action when they want to hire you. Step 3 is keep your portfolio updated every now and then. Don't wait till the replacement. Keep adding new work consistently and keep deleting the old work which you're not totally happy with. It's always a good idea to continuously edit your portfolio. Step 4, storytelling. Now every project should tell a story. Your inspiration, your design process, and the outcome. For example, designers like Prabal Gurung got into Parsons because of how powerful their portfolio stories were. Not just pretty sketches, but also the whole design process and outcome of those sketches. If you want to enhance your portfolio and learn the modern tools to make it even A+, check out our digital courses at SEFT, which will definitely help you elevate your portfolio. Now let me give you a few bonus power tips. Start with a Behance profile, okay? Recruiters check it for design portfolios all the time. Use Canva or Adobe InDesign to make your portfolio more professional. Collaborate with photographers, makeup artists, stylists, and models to boost your visibility. Enter competition. Lakme Fashion Week, design awards, etc. will help you to give that edge and credibility. So remember, Instagram is equal to your visual resume. LinkedIn is equal to your professional brand. And finally, your portfolio is your secret weapon. Together, these three make you unstoppable in the fashion world. Don't wait till graduation. Start marketing yourself today. So, tell me in the comments which platform are you focusing on? Instagram, LinkedIn, or your portfolio? I would love to check out your work. If you've enjoyed today's video, please give a like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until I see you again, this is me, Siddhi Mapsankar, signing off for now. Lots of love. God bless.